You're making smoothies, counting steps, doing your part of your health, and meanwhile, this health wellness blog already written. 7 daily habits check, images, structure, SEO done, infographics and FAQs also handled automatically. And I did not write a single word of it myself. It took me under 3 minutes. Thanks to autoblogging.ai, and if you're a wellness coach, fitness creator, or a content creator in a health space, I'm going to show you how to go from a topic idea to a full published ready blog using quick mode. Let's go. Now, once you log in into autoblogging.ai, on the left panel, you're going to see different options like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. But today I'm going to show you wizard because it's beginner friendly and walks you through each setting step by step. Perfect when you want a control without any confusion. Now, article title. Here I'm going to write 7 simple habits for lasting wellness and health. Alright, why this works? It is because it's very short, to the point, and words like habits and wellness signal the AI that it's a practical and a tip based content. And here's a quick tip, stick with guide, tips, or how to if you're writing a helpful or a lifestyle content. Choose your language. I'm going with English here, but Autoblogging also supports 30 languages. So you can create content for audience across the globe without writing a single word. Just pick one that your readers speak. Choose your article length. For this one, I'm going to pick medium, but because we are listing daily habits and not writing a textbook. But here's a quick heads up. Short is great for a quick read or a social content, and long is like a deep dive, guide, or a SEO heavy content. Article type. I'm going to choose listicle here because I'm listing habits and it is perfect for this style of blog that I've chosen. But you can also go with informative. It is a better for a deep dive ideas like how sleep affect hormones, or just a few example. And places is when writing about a wellness retreat in a specific city. Service by landing pages is perfect for promoting your health coaching or a fitness app. Tone of the article. I'm going to choose second person here because this lets the blog speak directly to the readers. So you can also choose first person if it is more like a personal diary, and third person if it is a neutral and more formal. Writing style, I'm going to choose conversational here because health content should sound human and not like a textbook. But here's a quick rundown. Auto, if you are not able to decide, so AI will decide based on the topic. Less AI words is like reads like a real person has wrote it. Premium style one, it adds an extra SEO layering. Snippet optimizer is good for Google featured answers. And witty and professional is based on the tone your audience love. So choosing conversational. Now here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense optimized article. It helps your blog rank higher. Add FAQs AI will pull trending health questions from Google and answer them for you. AI images will add visual images related to health and wellness. Infographic is visual breakdowns like habit schedules or a benefit chart. So you don't need to write or upload anything. Autoblogging will do it for you. SERP analysis. Okay. This feature is like a god. This feature checks what's already ranking on Google for your topic, and also it makes sure that your blog structure follows what's already working. And so you don't need to check competitors' blog yourself. Autoblogging does it automatically. Just enable this, and on the source context box, you can write how you want your article to be. And in the SERP location, you can also select the country where you need your article to rank first. Now I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes here. Outline from competition. it copies the content structure from top performing blogs. And add external link is it adds useful outbound links like HWO or on Harvard Health. YouTube video will add related videos to your blog, so it increases the time of your page. And add key takeaways will put help in ranking for featured snippet. AI proofreading, you can just enable this and give a guideline of how you want your article to be. So it will polish your content to perfection. Internal linking. Alright, now if you already have some other blogs on health or wellness, this is just where things get smart. Just enable this and drop your website link here. So autoblogging will automatically find relevant article from your site and link them inside your new post. So yes, this helps your readers explore more and keep them on your site longer. So Google loves it too. Just paste the link and autoblogging will handle the rest. Human proofreading, it's optional, but if you want an expert editor to do a final review, just turn this on and you can leave an instruction here. And for this you will need a human proofreading credit. You can purchase it right from your dashboard. Now generate article. Within 2 to 10 minutes your article will be ready, and just click on history tab here. Scroll down and click on the view icon. Your 7 habits listed, images included, structure optimized, even FAQs have been added, and it's literally ready to publish. Now if you want to move even quicker next time, then just simply go on quick and click on single. So this feature is same as the wizard, just fewer clicks and perfect when you're ready to set up. You already know your setup. And you can also go on bulk mode if you want to generate 10, 50 or even 100 articles at once. So you can auto post it to WordPress and plan a whole month of wellness and content in one go. So you don't need to do back and forth, you'll just see the good result. So whether you're a personal trainer, a nutritionist coach, or just creating content in health space, autoblogging helps you build a blog without the burnout. And also if you're too busy helping others live a healthy life, let us write your blogs for you. We also offer a done-for-you blog service while you focus on your mission and we handle the content. If this helped, then hit a like, subscribe and drop your question below.